Hi guys, so today I'm going to be programming key for my car. I only have one key, but I wanted to have a set, so just in case if anything goes wrong. If you lose your key, if you only have one pair of keys, and if you lose it, and if you go to a dealer, it's going to cost you a lot of money. So this is the time that you may want to program it while you have a key on hand. So I picked this up from Amazon, and this is something that you can program on these cars. So ES350, IS350, GS350, 450, LS, and a couple of other GS and LSs. So these are the models, and this key is normally this entire thing is normally around $100, but I think right now it's on sale, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below. This is the model number 99389. So let's go ahead and program it.
How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Let's go ahead and get it started. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure the door is open. So once the door is open, what we're going to do is we're going to not press the brake. Do not press the brake. Press it one time and then press it again, and you'll see the lights come on the dash. And once you have the lights on, then at the bottom of here you're gonna see the OBD connector port right there. So as soon as you plug this in, you're gonna hear a beep. There you go. So now you can see it beeped, and it is flashing. And what I'm going to do is we're going to take the existing key first. Oops, I dropped it. So you're going to take your existing key, the working key, and you hear that beep. And now you're going to move it away. And now you can take your other key that you want to program and hold it. There you go. You heard the beep? It means it's programmed. And now we're gonna turn the ignition off. So once you turn the ignition off, we're gonna go ahead and close the door and press the brake. And if you try to start the car, it's not gonna start. So that is completely fine. That is because you still have this thing plugged in. So let's go ahead and remove this. So make sure you remove this, otherwise your car is not gonna start. And then you wait a few minutes, not a few minutes, maybe like a minute. Press the brake, and then you'll see the green light. Go ahead and start the car. Now the car is on, and now you turn it off. And at this point, your Neo remote should work. So if you press the one that you just programmed, there you go. I can already see it's trying to unlock. My trunk open, and this is my original remote, and of course this one works as well. So both of them are programmed. And just to show you from the outside that it does work, and this is my other one, and they both are working. This one is the one that I just programmed from Dorman, and this is my genuine one, just in a case. All right, hopefully this video helps you guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.